First, connect the inert gas. Release the cylinder knob. Adjust the output air pressure to 0.15 MPa. The above table shows the air pressure in the tank. Connecting wire feeder plugs. One power cable and one signal cable. Afterwards, connect the main power cable of the device. Measure the voltage before connection. Unidirectional voltage is 220 volts. Voltage fluctuation normal within 15 volts. Connecting the zero line. Connecting the fire wire. Earth wire needs to be effectively grounded. Turn on the air switch when it's connected. Then press the start button. Push the button for 15 seconds and you're good to go.